Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my good name is She from Rift Valley. Karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always appreciating my content. Today being an Easter Monday, I'm preparing breakfast for family, but it's only a family of two, me and my son. So keep it up and I hope you'll enjoy. It will be kind of a day in my life video. I hope you enjoy. Keep me company. So we're going to prepare sausage, yellow beans, and some eggs. So we'll start with yellow beans. We'll start with sausages. These scissors are clean. They are my kitchen scissors. So I'm adding some oil. I kind of shallow fry them, not deep fry. Then we cut the onions. We prepare the yellow beans. Let me show you how I prepare my yellow beans. With this economy, you can't buy baked beans. So this is how I prepare my yellow beans. I hope you learned something from it, or two maybe. This is how I do mine, specifically for breakfast. An onion in the half. Okay. My pot is already hot, so that's why I'm trying to rush. Add some oil. Add more oil. We are going on well. My sausages are browning well. My onions, they are doing fine. I've added bay leaf and salt for that added taste. My sausages are ready, so we're going to remove them. I've lined the sausage.
lights. Look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
So we're done with the fruits. We're only going to garnish kiasi tu na some chia seeds. We all know they have some health benefits. So that's chia seeds. And some sesame. And it's a wrap. That's our Easter breakfast.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
So let's get with the breakfast to brunch.
if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
thank you guys for keeping me company. I appreciate. Please, if you've watched this far, thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and click the notification bell so that every time I post anything new, you'll be the first person to know. I hope I've motivated somebody to do some cleaning, and thank you. See you on the next video.